Hi, I'm Robin with treesmom.com, and we are making a video for expertvillage.com. We're making a cute little cell phone holder or glasses holder, whatever you want to use it for, and we're going to be attaching our beads. We are using these flower beads, and as you can see on this one, the pattern is in a diagonal. So we're going to start down at this end, close to the bottom, bring our wire in through the back. We're going to take the bottom part of our flower bead and put it on, and then the other part of our flower bead, put it on, and these are going to have the bicone center. This is a crystal bicone bead, which just means it has a point at each end, and the wire is going to go down back through the first two pieces like this, and it's going to come out the bottom of the first piece, and then you just tighten it by pulling the wire through the back, and that's your first flower.